All right, y'all, well, buckle up. It's time to talk all about the weather, not only just today, changing conditions, but of course this weekend and next week with that Arctic cold front moving through. Temperatures 30s, 40s, 50s and 60s this morning. Overnight storms have cleared, but the cold air is lagging behind. So we're just starting to see those temperatures drop along and west of I-35. But by daybreak today, we are expecting the majority of the area to see temperatures in the 30s, continuing to tumble down through 9 a.m. And then finally by mid-morning, we'll start to see the sunshine do some work and get those temperatures back into the upper 40s and low 50s. One thing we'll see this morning as that colder air spills in as well is gusty northwesterly winds between 30 and 45 miles per hour. But those winds will start to subside some late today. Few clouds. Highs near 50 degrees, a far cry from where we were yesterday, but conditions will continue to change tomorrow. We will again start out close to freezing, but highs will rebound into the low to near mid 60s. That is in advance of what is going to be our Arctic cold front pushing through around sunset. That will cause those temperatures to tumble. And you can kind of see on First Alert Futurecast, all of that cold air there is just waiting in the wings tomorrow afternoon to our north. That tumbles in tomorrow night. And around midnight is when most of us will start to see freezing temperatures return. Once temperatures drop below freezing Sunday night or Saturday night into Sunday morning, we are going to stay there for the majority of us through midday Wednesday. 3 full days likely, and wind chills will of course make it feel even colder. Actual temperature 32 degrees on Sunday, 17 Monday morning, 27 Monday afternoon, 11 Tuesday morning, then 30 degrees on Tuesday. Yes, we do have the potential for some wintry precipitation, which we're going to detail in a second, but I want to talk about those bitter cold wind chills first. Sunday morning, it'll feel like the single digits and the teens. During the afternoon, it'll feel like the teens and mostly 20s. Not terrible considering that by Monday morning, those wind chills will be down close to and below zero. Coldest wind chills coming west of I-35. Monday afternoon, those wind chills will only warm to between about 7 degrees and 16 degrees, with the coldest wind chills set to arrive Tuesday morning. In fact, the majority of central Texas will likely see sub-zero wind chills from as warm as -5 in College Station to as cold as -11 in Goldthwaite and Brownwood. From there, we'll see the wind chills warm back into the teens Tuesday afternoon. And then Wednesday, we're still going to have single-digit wind chills, but a gradual improvement of temperatures and wind chills as the week rolls on. Now, wintry weather is going to be possible Sunday night into Monday. Still a little bit too early for definitive precipitation types and accumulations, but the most likely type is going to be freezing rain Sunday night on a scattered basis, switching over to sleet sometime during the day on Monday. Everyone has the possibility of accumulations, but the highest chance is going to come near the I-45 corridor. And ice accumulations, it's not going to take much to cause big impacts, especially once you get to a half of an inch of ice or higher. But thankfully, this is not going to be one of those extreme weather events as far as the ice goes. We are expecting from the majority of the area a 1/10 of an inch of ice or less, and it's going to be scattered, so some spots will actually stay dry. Disruptive conditions, wind chills will be coated. Slick bridges and overpasses, and also some less traveled roadways may be on the slick side too. This is going to be during the day on Monday. We could get closer to 1/4 of an inch of ice near I-45, but those chances are low.